Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Hidden Art. Hope you all are doing well. Weather is changing and spring is here. Some trees shed their leaves in winter and now they are starting new growth. My button roses are welcoming spring with her beauty. Even they have bloomed before winter, but still they have not stopped flowering. Every day I wake up and wonder to see the beauty of the nature. Nature gives us a lot. As we live in a big city, here is the big problem of space. So we planted trees on our terrace. When I come to my terrace, I play with this touch-me-not plant. Today I will make our breakfast with our garden veggies. We harvest almost 25 tomatoes from one plant and still it has many tomatoes. It's a great benefit to harvest the veggies at home. Pluck them at any time and make delicious dishes with these organic veggies. Wash the vegetables. Now cut them to prepare the food. Boil them and add pinch of salt. Saute the mushroom and potato slices in olive oil and add chili flakes and garlic paste. After cooking them, keep it aside. I have planted two different types of lettuce in winter. I have used them in my food in the entire winter. These fresh and healthy leaves really doing well till now. Our organic healthy breakfast is ready to serve. My mother-in-law make this bori. These are made a paste of pulses. This sun-dried bori can be stored for long time and use them in some special dishes. I do start my work after finishing off all household work. I really like to do something creative. My passion of art makes my dreams come true. You can check and purchase my artwork from my Instagram account. I have shared the Instagram account link in the description box. First time we harvesting the strawberry. This sandpaper vine bloom only in spring. It is 1 year old plant. And the very first bloom of this sandpaper vine proves that the spring is here. The plant is full of buds. I will update soon the full blooming view of this plant. hope you enjoy this video. Please do subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.